So good morning, students. We'll discuss some MCQs from chapter 1, life processes. And if you know the answer, you can raise hand. I'll ask. First question, which of the following is not a digestive enzyme contained in the pancreatic juice? First, you can see the options. Option A is 1 and 2, that means lipase and hydrochloric acid. B option is 1 and 4, lipase and trypsin. Option C is second and third, HCl and mucus. And option D is 1 and 3, that is mucus and trypsin, lipase, sorry. Correct option is Sumit, tent blue. Sumit, beta, tell answer.
Option C, second and third.
Second and third is not a digestive. ठीक है बेटा. Good. So, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड एंड म्यूकस अदरवाइज भी एंजाइम्स नहीं है ये दोनों. एंजाइम्स के नेम जो आपको आपने किए हैं लाइपेज, अमाइलेज, ट्रिप्सिन, पेप्सिन, दीज आर एंजाइम्स. ठीक है. HCl को कभी भी एंजाइम कंसीडर नहीं करना. दिस इज एन एसिड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Enzymes pepsin and trypsin are secreted respectively by Mac, Entwed.
Ma'am, answer is C option, stomach and pancreas.
Okay, beta, fine, good. Correct option is C, stomach and pancreas. Next question number 3. Among the following, choose the correct option, which includes the organisms that have a holozoic mode of nutrition. Holozoic mode. Holozoic mode of nutrition. प्रणव गाबा बेटा अपना एनोटेशंस ऑफ करके रखिए, अदरवाइज आई विल रिमूव यू फ्रॉम द मीटिंग. प्रणव गाबा, stop it right now, else I will remove you. Devishi beta, answer.
Ma'am, option B, amoeba.
Yes. Holozoic mode of nutrition is actually in which any organism that engulfs a food thoroughly, whether it is a solid or a liquid substance, when they engulf it thoroughly, then that food is known as holozoic. Option is B, amoeba.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, why isn't it a paramecium mode? Why can't it be?
Modes जो है इनके different है, like they are not at getting holozoic mode. Plasmodium तो absorb blood ही generally मतलब उसी पे depend करता है.
Paramecium.
पैरामीशियम, प्लाज्मोडियम, प्रोटोजोन्स है ना. प्रोटोजोन्स अदरवाइज है तो हेट्रोजेनियस ही है इनका मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, बट होलोजोइक नहीं है. एक मिनट, बच्चे और एडमिट हो रहे हैं. Enzymes contained in pancreatic juices help in the digestion of Kavya. Kavya Kaushik.
Ma'am, option D.
Yes.
Option D.
Because pancreatic juice contains all the enzymes which are required for final digestion of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. And as you know, that complete digestion takes place in small intestine, which is done by the help of juices received by pancreas and liver. Good. Last option is the correct one. Which of the following help in protecting the inner lining of stomach from the harmful effect of HCl? This is quite easy question. I think all students must know. Now I will ask someone else, those who are not raising hands. Yuvraj, 10th grade. Yuvraj, which out of these component protects the lining of stomach from the harmful effect of HCl?
Mucus.
Mucus. Mucus is the correct one. Sometimes we get painful cramps in our leg muscles after running for a long time due to the accumulation of. This is also very easy question. In lower classes also have that. Tanish Sharma, 10th blue. Tanish. Tanish beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. Answer for this question. But Raghu, अगर नहीं आता बेटा, I will ask friends.
Ma'am, lactic acid.
Yes, good. Lactic acid gets accumulated due to anaerobic respiration taking place in our muscles when large amount of energy is required after a, you can say, prolonged period of exercise or uses. The vein which brings clean blood from the lungs into the heart is known as Vanshdeep Singh, 10th blue. Vanshdeep. Isha Sharma.
Ma'am, option A, pulmonary vein.
Yes, Rita. Otherwise, all veins they bring deoxygenated blood actually from different parts to the heart, and but specifically one this pulmonary vein actually lungs. Then when they purify blood, it is taken out from the lungs to the heart. Heart तक लाने का काम blood को veins ही करती है. But this is the only vein which carries oxygenated blood because blood gets oxygenated in lungs itself. Okay. So pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood and pulmonary artery is the only artery that carries deoxygenated blood. Movement of the synthesized products from the leaves to the roots and other parts of a plant's body takes place through phloem. This process is known as Transportation of food through phloem. Malvika. Malvika, you cannot unmute yourself. Otherwise, you have written in chat box. That is okay. Correct answer. Translocation is the correct answer. And I've also shared link of attendance form again. Those who have joined now. And beta, you are sitting at home and you are quite lenient in attending classes. Be regular and punctual. Look, time jo 8:25 and now you are entering the class. It's 8:50 now. Answer is translocation for this question. Next, the process of diffusion of solvent molecules from the region of less solute concentration to a region of high solute concentration through a semi-permeable membrane is known as yes, Greg, answer.
Option B, ma'am, osmosis.
Osmosis is like तो semi-permeable membrane के through osmosis ही होगा. Otherwise, diffusion you can also say. Osmosis is also a kind of diffusion which takes place through a semi-permeable membrane. Specific
Ma'am, but solvent particles is given.
solvent particles के लिए है. Otherwise, diffusion ही है. मैं यही बता रही हूँ आपको. It's a special case of diffusion where only solvent particles move from. I'm just giving a hint. If it is semi-permeable membrane is mentioned and solvent is mentioned, no need to get confused. Only option osmosis will be the correct one. Otherwise, so they have written over process of diffusion. Which among the following procedures is used for cleaning the blood of a person by separating the waste substance from it? Quite easy it is. Japanjot 10th grade. जगतेश्वर और जपनजोत दोनों में से जिसको आंसर आता है बेटा अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड टेल. Kushdeep 10th grade.
Ma'am, the correct option is option C, dialysis.
Okay, good. Dialysis is a process by which blood is, you can say, cleaned from the various waste substances if the kidney of a person is not properly working. So this is an artificial kidney, you can say. Dialysis. The excretory unit of the human excretory system is known as Tanveer 10th grade. Tanveer. Tanveer, can you tell? Riddhi 10th grade. These are not difficult questions, I think quite simple.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer this question. Excretory unit of human excretory.
Neuron, ma'am, option B.
बेटा न्यूरॉन नर्वस टिश्यू का पार्ट है, वो कहाँ एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम में आएगा?
Option C, ma'am.
Nephron is the correct one. C option is the correct. Nephron है किडनी के filtration units. इसमें basic filtration होता है पूरा. Plants use the energy stored in ATP to accomplish the process of transportation of what? Mehak, 10th roll number 37. Mehak. Mehak, beta. You have raised hand. Roll number 37. 10th blue. Priyanka, 10th blue. Pushkar.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, option D, food.
Yes, good. Because energy is required only for the process transportation of food. Minerals and water, they are, you can say, transported by the help of transpiration pole itself. तो उसके लिए extra ATP की जरूरत नहीं होती है plants को. So energy is required only for transportation of food by the cells of phloem tissue. The D part is the correct one. Which among the following is necessary to carry out blood coagulation in a cut or wound? Blood clotting के लिए इसमें से क्या जरूरी है? कौन सी सेल blood की और which part of blood? Riya Chadda, 10th grade. Riya beta, rule number 1.
Ma'am, platelets. Option C.
Good. See, option platelets are the cells present in blood which are you can say necessary for coagulation or जिसको हम blood clot होना भी कह सकते हैं. Arteries and veins are connected by a network of extremely narrow tubes called
Option B, ma'am.
yes, capillaries. In which group of the organisms the food material is broken down outside the body? Think properly for this question and then raise hands. Japanjot beta, you have raised hand. Tell.
Option C.
Option C, broken down outside the body, is not correct. Anyone else? Devishi, tell.
Ma'am, option A.
Option A, no agree.
B.
What you said, B or D?
Ma'am, B. Yeast, mushroom, and bread.
So this is because fungi is a group of organisms in which saprotrophic or saprophytic mode is carried out for their nutrition, in which the organisms absorb just the already digested food from environment. So yeast, mushrooms, bread molds are all fungi. Fungi में basically जो mode होता है वो यही है कि बाहर उनकी बॉडी के डाइजेशन होता है. मशरूम्स फंजाई है, बट उसमें ऑप्शन ए में ग्रीन प्लांट्स एंड अमीबा. ग्रीन प्लांट्स दे डाइजेस्ट देयर ओन, अमीबा में भी डाइजेशन अपनी उसकी वैक्यूल के अंदर होता है. एंड पैरामीशियम, अमीबा, कस्कुटा, दी ऑल कस्कुटा अदरवाइज पैरासाइट है, तो इट एब्जॉर्ब्स द आउटसाइड ब्रोकन फूड, बट स्टिल बाकी ऑप्शंस करेक्ट हैं. Euglena, Spirogyra, these are autotrophic organisms, so no possible for that. जो autotrophic है अपना खुद बना रहे हैं तो खुद डाइजेस्ट भी कर रहे हैं उसको. A few drops of iodine solution were added to rice water. The solution turned blue-black in color. This indicates rice water has complex proteins, simple proteins, starch and fats. Lavanya, you are not raising hands today. What happened? Tell answer if you are there. Lavanya. Pranay Chadda.
Ma'am, C starch.
Yes. Good. It's a very simple test. Iodine test is taking place for starch only. उसके लिए हम उसको conduct करते हैं, in which if the substance has starch in it, it will change the color of iodine to bluish black. Otherwise brownish color होता है iodine का, and you will get blue black color over there. Next question. Which part of alimentary canal receives bile from liver? Alimentary canal के किस part में liver से bile juice mix होता है? Arjap Singh, 10th grade. Arjap. Arsh Sood.
Small intestine.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Small intestine.
Good answer.
My 10th question.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
B option.
And small intestine. Ma'am, B part small intestine.
Yes, correct. In small intestine, bile juice is received from liver. And do you know what is the function of bile, Harsh?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
Ma'am, it helps in emulsification of fats. Ma'am, break down the large fat particles into smaller ones.
Yes, this process in which complex fat molecules are broken down into small particles only. Chemical chain नहीं है, kind of physical chain जिसमें बड़े-बड़े molecules को smaller में वो convert कर देते हैं by emulsification. So that is done by bile, because otherwise without emulsification it will be very difficult for pancreatic juice to digest large fat globules. In which part of alimentary canal food is finally digested? Vikrant, 10th blue. Vikrant, very easy question from I think 6th, 7th class you are doing this. Vikrant Verma, 10th blue. Hurry up, beta. 2-3 minutes are left only.
Stomach.
Complete digestion, बेटा. Stomach में तो समझ लो आपकी अभी आधा digestion भी नहीं हुआ. Partial digestion takes place only in stomach. Stomach से पहले mouth में start होता है, stomach में partial होता है. Complete digestion takes place in
Ma'am, small intestine.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, जहाँ पे लिवर और पेंक्रियाटिक जूसेस और कुछ जूसेस इंटेस्टाइनल अपने भी उस वॉल से सिक्रेट होते हैं, तो इंटेस्टाइनल जूसेस एंड pancreatic juices and bile juices collectively perform the complete digestion in small intestine. D is the correct answer. Last question now. Opening and closing of stomatal port depends upon what? Arlene, 10th grade. If you know, you can tell. Arlene. Yuvraj.
Water in guard cell.
Yes. गार्ड सेल्स में जो वाटर है उनके उसकी वजह से जो प्रेशर होता है, that helps in opening and closing of stomatal ports. Good beta. So this assignment is over and time is also very less. If you have any doubt, you can ask. And once more time I am sharing this chat box for attendance. Fill that. And in case of any doubt, you can ask.
Excuse me, ma'am.